Hello guys, welcome back to ClatPrep Digital. Today I've got another concept of percentage change for you. Whenever we see words like price, expenditure and commodity and consumption in a question, we try a different formula. We solve these kinds of questions with a different approach. Here, with these three words in a question or any of those two or any single word in a question, what we do is we apply the formula that expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Okay, expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Here, this is very easy to understand because expenditure is कि हम कितना खर्च कर रहे हैं, right? हमारा this could also be our income. It could also be exchange with हमारा income. Basically refers to हम कितना खर्च कर रहे हैं. Price refers to कि एक commodity का price कितना है, correct? And consumption refers to कि वो कितनी हमने खरीदी है, ठीक है? तो expenditure is equal to price into consumption. ठीक है, you have to remember this formula, and in questions where you have price, expenditure and consumption or income, expenditure and or any kind of these questions, you can always refer to this formula, right? So now let's talk about this question only. We'll solve this question with this formula only, so for your better understanding, right? So the price of the rice increased by 25% if the expenditure of the family is to be maintained. Here, then by how much percentage the consumption is reduced? Okay, easily understandable that price is increased, expenditure is to be maintained and consumption is to be reduced, right? और अगर हम फॉर्मूला से भी देखें कि E is equal to P into C, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि अगर प्राइस बढ़ रहा है और एक्सपेंडिचर कांस्टेंट है तो C रिड्यूस होगा ही होगा, राइट? दिस इज वेरी इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल. तो अब इसमें क्वेश्चन में भी हमको यही कहना है कि प्राइस बढ़ रहा है, एक्सपेंडिचर आपको सेम रखना है एंड कंजम्पशन कितना रिड्यूस होगा. ओके, सो whenever, because we don't have any other data, we just assume that price of one commodity originally was 100 and consumption also was 100. Okay, to make our calculation easier, right? तो हमारे पास एक्सपेंडिचर पुराना कितना हो गया, ठीक है? एक्सपेंडिचर ओल्ड will be 100 into 100, right, which is equal to 10,000. Correct? Understood. Now here in the question it is given that expenditure is to be maintained. So expenditure purana should be equal to expenditure new, right? Expenditure purana should be equal to expenditure new. New expenditure क्या होगा? Because the price is increased by 25%, तो अगर हमारी प्राइस पहले 100 थी, right? प्राइस न्यू, now price new will be 100 plus 25% of 100, right? 25% of 100, this will be 125, correct? तो प्राइस न्यू हमारे पास कितने आई? If E new is E old is equal to E new, which should be equal to P new into C new, right? This should be it. Now प्राइस न्यू हमारे पास कितनी आई? 125. इधर क्या हो जाएगा? 10,000, क्योंकि हमारे पास ओल्ड एक्सपेंडिचर इतना है. तो हमारा सी न्यू कितना होगा? दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. वी हैव दिस इक्वेशन which can be easily solved. C new, by that Cn will be 10,000 upon 125. So when you solve this, you'll get 80. So your C new is 80, right? तो हमारा कंजम्पशन न्यू क्या आया? 8. कंजम्पशन पुराना कितना था? 100. नाउ कंजम्पशन ओल्ड वाज 100, कंजम्पशन न्यू इज 80. तो कितने का चेंज आएगा? चेंज का हम पहले देख ही चुके हैं. तो चेंज परसेंटेज विल बी इक्वल टू 100, दैट इज ओल्ड, माइनस न्यू अपॉन 100, विच इज 20 अपॉन 100 into 100%. we'll get 20%, right? We'll get our answer as 20%. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा हैप्जार्ड हो गया. Let's move to another question and try to understand in a better way. But I hope this was clear to you, and you can, for anything and everything, you can just remember this formula, and assuming both price, expenditure, price and consumption as 100 initially will always help you to solve these kinds of questions. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now, in the previous question, we understood that expenditure is equal to price into consumption, right? This was our main formula which we are talking about. Okay, and here in this question also we have commodity. The tax on the commodity increases, right? If the tax on the commodity here refers to as price, okay, income, tax, commodity, expenditure, reduction, consumption, any of these words will direct you to this formula. Okay, so when the tax on the commodity increases, that is the price increases, resulting in the consumption to decrease. Obviously, if the price is increased, the consumption is reduced, तो एक्सपेंडिचर पे चेंज आएगा ही, राइट? एंड यही पूछा है हमसे क्वेश्चन में कि एक्सपेंडिचर पे कितना चेंज आएगा. तो बाय दैट आवर फॉर्मूला एक्सपेंडिचर इज इक्वल टू प्राइस इनटू कंजम्पशन. we get that assuming same earlier that price initially, that is price old and consumption old as 100, both of these are 100, we get our expenditure old is equal to 10,000. Okay, right? But here in the previous question our expenditure was same, so we did E0 is equal to E new, right? E old is equal to E new, but here the expenditure has changed. Okay, the expenditure is affected. So what we'll do is we'll first see that our price new, that is increased by 35%. तो हमारा price new क्या है? 100 plus 35% of 100, right? ये है correct? तो ये कितना हो गया? 135. करेक्ट, ये प्राइस न्यू हो गया. नाउ द कंजम्पशन इज डिक्रीज्ड, तो कंजम्पशन न्यू कितना हो गया? 100 माइनस डिक्रीज्ड बाय 70%. करेक्ट, तो ये कितना हो गया? 30. नाउ वी हैव आवर प्राइस न्यू एंड वी हैव आवर कंजम्पशन न्यू. ओके, तो हमारा जो एक्सपेंडिचर न्यू है वो कितना हो जाएगा? 135 इंटू 30 विच इज इक्वल टू, okay, now we have E new and we have E old. Okay, अब हमको क्या निकालना है? एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन द कमोडिटी अफेक्टेड. वी कैन इजीली सी कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ठीक है, पहले 10,000 था, अभी 4,050 ही है. अब कितना चेंज आया? चेंज विल बी E old माइनस E new अपॉन E old into 100%. Agreed? This will be the change. So this will be 10,000 minus 4050 upon 10,000 into 100%. Correct? This will be 5950 upon 100. Correct? This will be 59.5%. Agreed? 59.5%. So by this question we can see that it may be a little bit of the questions will take a little bit of your time because the calculation may be a little bit more, but with this formula you can very easily know what to do and how to approach the question. Okay, I hope this was very clear to you. See you next time.